Today, we are talking about an email marketing tool that many creators and business owners use to grow their audience. Email marketing helps you to stay in touch with your customers, send them offers, updates, and valuable content. But choosing the right tool can be confusing, especially when there are many options in the market. One tool that many people talk about is MailerLite. People also ask, what features does MailerLite have? Is it easy to use? How is the price? And is it a good choice overall? In this video, we will break all of this down in a simple way so you can understand how this service works and if it fits your needs. But before that, just welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and email marketing success. Today we are reviewing MailerLite and checking its feature, pricing option, and the strength as well as the limitations you should know before deciding. And I also placed a special offer link in the description that helps you to get a better deal or bonus when you sign up by using that. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and also don't forget to use the link from description. By using that link, discount or special benefit will be applied automatically. Now let's talk about the MailerLite in a simple way. First of all, let's begin with what it actually does. MailerLite is an email marketing platform that allows you to create and send newsletters, build subscriber lists, automate messages, and manage campaigns from a single dashboard. It is designed for business, creators, coaches, and small teams who want to stay connected with their audience without needing complicated tools or steep learning curves. When you open MailerLite, you see a clean dashboard that shows your audience, campaigns, and automation. The interface feels simple even if you are new to the email marketing. You can quickly create an email campaign by choosing from the ready-made templates, dragging your content, and customizing text, images, and buttons. This drag and drop editor is one of the reasons many beginners like MailerLite. You do not need to know about coding or design skills to make an email that look professional. Another important part of this tool is automation feature. Automation lets you set the rules so the certain messages can send automatically when something happens. For example, you can send a welcome email when someone subscribes to your list, or you can send a follow-up message after someone clicks on a link in your email. This saves time because you don't need to send every email manually. Once the automation is set, it runs it on and keeps your audience engaged. MailerLite also lets you build forms and landing pages. This means you can create sign-up form to collect email addresses and even build simple landing pages that help you to advertise a product or special offer. This form can be added to your website or shared on social media. The flexibility to create both forms and the landing pages inside the same platform makes it easier to grow your email list and attract new subscribers. When it comes to analyze or analytics, MailerLite gives you clear reports about how your campaigns perform. You can see how many people opened your email, how many clicked on the link, and what actions your subscribers took. This data helps you to understand what works and what needs the improvement. This is the information that can help you to make smarter decisions when planning future campaigns. Now let's talk about the pricing. MailerLite offers different plans based on the size of your email list and the features you need. There is usually a free option that allows you to send a limited number of emails and use basic features. For many small businesses and beginners, the free option is enough to get started and learn the email marketing. As your list grows and you need advanced features, there are paid plans with more capabilities like automation, advanced analytics, and priority features. The advantage here is that MailerLite is considered affordable compared to the many other email marketing tools, and it does not restrict you the key features only to the expensive tiers. Like every tool, MailerLite also has some limitation. For example, some advanced user may find the automation feature are not deep as certain enterprise tools. For some specific integrations, may not be available directly inside the platform, and many require a third party connector. But for most of the business owners, bloggers, and creators, the balance of the simplicity and power that makes MailerLite very useful. So that's it basically for today's video. I hope you understand better about the MailerLite. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more videos like this. And don't forget to use the special link from the description to get your benefits automatically. I will see you in the next video. Take care and keep growing your business.